Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B Panhandle, Florida area, and today I'm going to get my pump going on my pond and get the pond cleaned up. I'm going to put together the fence panel that will go on our arbor, and I got a few things I got to get in the ground. Really, I'm waiting on my biotone to come in the mail. I've had a really busy day helping with taxes and things. But I got more planting to come in the next week, so I'm looking to get most of those things that I've been holding over in pots in the ground. I've got them pretty much all placed except for about 3 or 4. Um, some of them are going to go up into bigger pots because they're going to be in holding stations too for a little bit longer till I can figure out where I'm going to put them. I got ideas on some of my camellias. Some are going in pots, and then some of them I think are going to go behind the dahlia bed. But I got to watch out because there's a loquat right above it. But I think that'll be the perfect spot. Kind of shady in the summer from the loquat. But hopefully won't take over my dahlia bed that I put in. So if you haven't been to Lowe's lately, it is your time to go. Oh my gosh. Y'all, here in the Gulf Coast region, it seems like they have overbought and they are putting perfectly beautiful plants and flowers over on those discount carts. So make sure you get out to your local Lowe's and see. We actually went a couple of times this week to buy fence supplies, and they had different things every day. And let me tell you, those things were going like hotcakes. I was looking at something and it was gone. Somebody went and took it on the other side of me. So let me go ahead and show you what I have to put in today. this really cool salvia, and then I have some dahlias I picked up, and then don't judge me, I have some English daisies, and then I actually have a dahlia that I had from last year that stays really short, like the ones that I'm going to be planting in the bed here. So let me go ahead and show you their tags. Y'all, don't be judging me. I know I have about 50 English daisies I'm growing, but these are so beautiful. Look at that one. Look at that one. It's going to be so long until I have blossoms because I think they're biannuals. But this is one that I got. So it says here that they need part sun. Well, I hate to tell you, they're going to be getting morning shade and afternoon sun. And they're only supposed to, I think, grow until late spring to midsummer. So by then they're just going to get toasted. But we'll see. Maybe they'll go dormant and then they'll come back for me. That's what I'm hoping for. They are hardy to -30. I'm not sure they're quite in my zone, but you know. They're perennial. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to these. They only get about 6 inches tall and they only need about 6 inches apart. I don't know if I'm going to be dividing these or not. I just got a new Hori Hori knife, so I might be doing that. So where the English daisy was a $5 clearance, originally $10 at Walmart, so don't forget to hit your Walmarts up too. This one was definitely a Lowe's one, and it's Saucy Wine Salvia. It blooms spring, summer, and fall. It was $12.98, but I think I got it for $7. And then they're only hardy to 30 to 40 degrees, so maybe they'll come back. We can keep our fingers crossed, my friends. But it was only $7, and there's 2 plants in the pot, and I'm going to divide them. So, you know, $3.50 a plant. I think I can afford that on my budget. They do need 24 to 30 inch spacing. They can get both high and wide up to 30 inch. And yeah, those look amazing. And then we have the La Bella Medio series dahlia. And I'm pretty sure that was the one that I picked up in a previous year. But they are supposed to bloom spring, summer, and fall. And they're non-hardy below 40. Maybe I'll be digging them up like I did my one last year. Or maybe I'm just going to give them a try. They were $7.98 each. I think they were $4 a piece. And I know there's a big cluster in there and possibly several clusters. They grow up to 18 inches and they can get 24 inches high, and the 18 inches their width. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get those in the ground. Spring, summer, and fall. Yeah, those are like my seasons, my friend.
Oh my.
think those look beautiful. Those little saucy wined ones though, they are very brittle. So you'll want to watch out for that. I know it's a bitsy baby in here, but it's going to make it, I know. And then here goes the others. And then I realized I haven't shown you the completed arbor all the way. All right, that's just about going to do me for today. I got a county district level person coming to observe me on Tuesday. So I gotta be really on my ball and ready for that. So I don't know how I'm gonna be working out videos. I'm pretty sure I have one for Tuesday and Thursday. Not sure if I'm gonna have one on Saturday, but we're gonna keep my fingers crossed. Everything's gonna go great on Tuesday and I'll be able to do that video for you. I hope you're able to go out and make something beautiful in your world today. You deserve it. And until the next one, bye y'all.